Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about the principle that is beyond time, culture, and geography the art of diplomacy. Diplomacy, when practiced wisely, becomes a key to unlocking doors that talent cannot alone. Let me begin with an essential truth. Never hurt the ego of people in power. History has shown us that those in power, those in position of authority, often see beyond the immediate. They see potential threats, competitors, and rivals. Even the most well meaning actions can unintentionally make them feel insecure, and when that happens, they stop seeing you as a student or a collaborator. Instead, you become a competitor, a threat to their position. When this dynamics or story sets in, jealousy creeps in. No matter how brilliant you are at studies, art, or music, good opportunities may not come to you. History is full of such examples where talented individuals were sidelined because they did not navigate or pay attention to these relationships tactfully. Let us take a page from Indian history. Chanakya, the great strategist and advisor to Chandragupta Maurya, once said, "A man should not enter into conflict with those in power unless prepared for the consequences." He knew that diplomacy is not about submission but about understanding power dynamics, power influence, and placing people where they feel valued and respected. Now think about Alexander the Great, who captured vast lands was not just a result of military power but also tactful diplomacy. Alexander was brilliant at making local rulers feel included in his administration. He gave them power and respect, making them see his success as their success. By doing this, he ensured loyalty and minimized opposition or rebellion. Now consider Leonardo da Vinci, one of the greatest polymaths of all time. Leonardo worked under the influential patrons like Medici family. He was exceptionally talented, but he knew that talent alone would not guarantee his success. He often credited his patrons for enabling his work, making them feel part of his achievements. This ensured continued support for his art and inventions. Here are what we can learn. The three set of golden tips. Tip number 1. Acknowledge and appreciate. Give credit to those who support you, your bosses, seniors, or family. Let them feel that your success is their success. When they see your victory as their own victory, they will be motivated to help you achieve even more. Tip number 2. Set things right. If conflict arises, don't let them feel unsatisfied or left out. Diplomacy, as Chanakya taught us, is about finding solutions that benefit all parties involved. Tip number 3. The power of collaboration. Intelligence does not alone guarantee long term success. You need allies, mentors, and supporters who stand by you in your journey. If you wish to succeed, learn to master the art of diplomacy. Like Alexander, Leonardo da Vinci, and Chanakya, understand power of relationships. Build bridges instead of walls. When you make others feel valued and included in your journey, they will not just support you, but also they will champion your cause. If you found this content valuable or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. I would love to hear your opinion. Stay connected, not just with me, but anyone who inspires you and brings positive energy in your life. Building meaningful connections is essential for surrounding yourself with positivity and growth. Take care, stay safe, and keep spreading positivity. Bye, and thank you.